Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a shipping policy page in your Shopify website. We are into admin dashboard. We will simply click on online store pages and then add page, and here we will simply type the title of our page, which is shipping policy, and in the content we need to type the content, or you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude AI, or some shipping policy generator tools, right, for writing the shipping policy page content, right. So here I'm just using the chat gpt, so I'm just typing write a shipping policy page content for my domain name, and I sell this, and these are my contact details, and we generally provide shipping within these much days, right, whatever the time frame is, right. So you can simply mention it and then you can simply submit it. Okay, so it have started writing the content for us. We will simply select the content and then simply copy it, and we'll go back to our Shopify dashboard and we will simply paste it over there in the content section. Okay, it's pasted, and our shipping policy page is ready. We just need to make this active and simply save it, right. So as you can see, you can also make the alteration. If you think this content is not appropriate, you can simply make the alteration. I would suggest you to go once through this content, right, so that you can make any changes to it. Okay, so visibility, let's make it visible and click on save, and your shipping policy page is ready. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.